Households' preferences and willingness to pay for watershed services attributes in North Selangor peat swamp forest, Malaysia. This article is written by 4 authors. First author Buhari Abdul Karim. Second author Maud Rusli Yaqub. Third author Ahmad Makmum Abdullah. Last author Ralius Radam. Contribution and originality of the study is that this study contributes to the existing literature by using the choice experiment approach to analyze willingness to pay for forest watershed conservation. It is also one of very few studies which have investigated households' preferences and willingness to pay for watershed services attributes in the forest reserve. Realizing the objective of payment for ecological services, PES, schemes depends on adequate demand for these services and sustainable funding. We examine the viability of using locally financed payments as additional conservation funds to protect forest watershed services. The study employed choice experiment method to estimate the willingness to pay for watershed conservation in communities along Sungai Kerang and Raja Musa Forest Reserve in Selangor, Malaysia. A multinomial logit, MNL, model was developed to derive the marginal value and mean willingness to pay, WTP, of the respondents on the non-market values of the forest reserve. The trade-off between 4 different forest watershed attributes shows that improvement on water quantity is the most preferred attributes. The total conservation value is estimated at RM12, 706.347.78. This indicates households are willing to pay for watershed conservation to ensure sustainable water supply, thus proposing PES as an alternative source of fund for conservation of Sungai Kerang and Raja Musa Forest Reserve. Thanks for watching this video of Asian Journal of Economic Modeling Volume 5 Issue Number 1.